Hi all, I am Manisha Nikam. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about the chapter number 5 heat for the 10th standard students. We will see in this chapter heat, we will see latent heat, then regulation, then anomalous behavior of water, dew point and humidity and specific heat capacity. Before latent heat, we will see the difference between the temperature and heat. काही लोकांना असं वाटतं की टेम्परेचर आणि हीट जे आहे हे सारखंच आहे किंवा हीट मोजण्याचं परिमाण जे आहे ते टेम्परेचर आहे असं वाटतं, पण खरं तर तसं नाही आहे. ते हीट आणि टेम्परेचर ह्या दोन्ही टर्म्स ह्या अगदी एकमेकापासून पूर्णपणे वेगळ्या आहेत आणि त्याच आपण आता समजून घेऊयात. सी हियर, फर्स्ट, heat is a form of energy. That means it is a form of energy that can transfer from hot body to cold body. That means heat is a transfer of energy. It is not energy. It is a not energy. Heat is the energy transformer. That means from hotter body to cooler body. And temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of a body. That means we can measure the temperature of our body by using thermometer. That is, temperature is the degree of the hotness or coldness of the body. Second point, heat is the total kinetic energy and potential energy obtained by the molecule in an object. That is, heat is the combination, that is total energy of potential energy and kinetic energy, but it is the total energy, that is two energies, kinetic energy and potential energy. But here in temperature is the average kinetic energy of the molecules in a substance. That means here only average kinetic energy of the particles we take here in the substance in case of temperature. See here, we take the some examples. One, this is the glass. In this glass hot water is taken and temperature of that hot water is 100 degrees centigrade, and another we take here another pot B, and this is pot A, and in pot B we take here also hot water, but the temperature of that hot water is 70 degree centigrade. This is the little glass, that means amount of water is less as compared to this B, but and temperature also different in these two hot waters. Here, see here, kinetic energy of that water, that is in first case A, here temperature is 100 degree centigrade. That means this water is hot than B because temperature of B is 70 degree. That means these particles of that water molecules are the motion of these particles are greater than this B. Therefore kinetic energy of A is greater than kinetic energy of water of the particles in container B. But see here, this is the small amount of water, temperature is 100 degree, but water is minimum as compared to this pot B. Then here is the amount of water molecules is less than B, here greater molecules of water. Therefore total average energy, that means total average energy is is greater B as compared to A. Total average energy of water A, because there is minimum quantity of water here, maximum quantity of water, that means molecules are greater in pot B, and here minimum. We take the average, that means what are the different ways of heat transfer? There are three ways of heat transfer. Number first is conduction, second number convection, and last one is the radiation. First of all, we will see about the conduction. Conduction means, see here, we take one vessel, and in that vessel we take water, some water, and heat gives this water, and see here, by giving this heat to that vessel at that time, this vessel is the solid material. Then in conduction, if we take the rod as like, this rod is made up of molecules as like, first of all, see here, if this molecule hits, it gets vibrates to itself, actual vibration, and heat is transferred to another molecule as like. Then this molecule transfers heat to third molecule. This is the cycle of heat transfer as like, from first to second, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth. That means this process remains same up to last molecule of that solid material, that is vessel. So if we take here the heat, give the heat to that vessel, and this is the solid material. So see, this the handle rod of that vessel get heated because there is a solid material. So conduction means the transfer of heat or electric current from one substance to another by direct contact. That means one molecule get heats to another molecule, and this cycle repeats again, forward direction as like, and the material and the rod is get heated. See the next, convection. See the example of conduction in our daily life. आपण काय करतो, आईने समजा आपल्याला जर चहा बनवायला सांगितला तर आपण चहा बनवायला घेतो, आणि आपल्याला सवय नसते चहा बनवायची वगैरे. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, काय होतं की चहा बनवत असताना आपण त्याच्यामध्ये सगळं मटेरियल टाकतो, आणि ते मटेरियल उकळून गेल्यानंतर थोडंसं वरती येतं चहा पावडर वगैरे, आणि त्याच्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, लगेच घरामध्ये असणारा चमचा छोटा घेतो, आणि ते आलेलं वरती चहापत्ती जी वगैरे आहे ते आपण काय करतो, आतमध्ये काढून त्या पाण्यामध्ये टाकतो, आणि चुकून विसरून जातो आपण की तो चमचा बाहेर काढायचा. काय होतं, चमचा तो त्या पातेल्यामध्येच राहतो, तिरक्या ह्याला पाण्यामध्येच, आणि त्या पातेल्याला खालून काय असते, उष्णता दिली कंटिन्यू चालू असते गॅसवरती उष्णता. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, त्याच्यामध्ये चमचा हा सॉलिड स्टेटमधला आहे, त्याच्यामुळं तिथं काय होतं, सॉलिड स्टेट मटेरियलमध्ये पार्टिकल्स काय होतात, एकमेकांची मॉलिक्युल्स हीट ट्रान्सफर करत राहतात. कुठंपर्यंत हीट ट्रान्सफर करत असतात, सुरुवातीच्या ह्याला जर पाहिलं तर आपल्याला चमच्याचा जो दांडा आहे तो गरम लागत नाही, परंतु जर ते कंटिन्युअस हीट मोशन जर असेल तर ते मोशन ऑफ पार्टिकल्स जे आहे ते त्या शेवटच्या रॉड म्हणजे त्या चमच्याच्या शेवटच्या टोकापर्यंत पोहोचत नाही, तोपर्यंत हीट जे आहे, मोशन ऑफ मॉलिक्युल जे आहे ते काय होतं, कंटिन्युअस फ्लो होत राहतात आणि पूर्ण चमचा जो आहे तो काय होतो, गरम होतो आणि नंतर आपले लक्ष जाते की तो चमचा काय झालेले, गरम झालेले. दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ गुड कंडक्शन ऑफ हीट. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट, सी द नेक्स्ट, convection. In convection, see here, this is the container, and in this container we take water. First of all, this water get heated at the base of that container, and temperature of that water get heated, temperature of that water is get increasing at the base of the container, and if temperature goes to that molecules at that time, these light molecules get the upper side, and this is the cool, this is the cool surface of the water. At that time, the water molecules of the cool surface getting in the downward direction, and hot molecule of water goes to the upward direction. In this case, this process continuous in convection, that is, hot particles goes upward direction and cool particles of the waters comes down to this bottom of that container. In this case, see here, but this convection is happen in only liquid and gaseous state, not in the solid state. Therefore, the transfer of heat through a fluid means liquid or gas, caused by the molecule motion. That means there is a molecule, see here, it has a space between these two molecules. These molecules transfer the heat to this molecule, again this molecule transfer the heat to this molecule, or these molecules, again this molecule also transfer the heat to this molecule, as like this happens only in the convection. Okay. Then last one is the radiation. Radiation means the good example of the radiation is the sun rays. That means from the sun, this is the sun and this is our earth. Sun rays transfer to this earth direct. This is the sun rays. We call that sun rays as radiation. Radiation is the energy that is the radiated or transmitted in the form of rays or waves or particles. That means, as like we get the sun energy from the sun. In this way, we saw conduction, convection and radiation. Like this video, okay. Please give the big thumbs up to this video, do the subscribes to my channel and share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, then write the comment section below.